Do you know Microsoft had organized an event Ignite Keynote 2022 while the main focus was on Microsoft 365, but Microsoft revealed something big. An unexpected revelation caught our attention. Assalamualaikum and hey tech tribers, it's me Mumtaz Baig. In the opening speech, a screenshot was shared on the Microsoft Teams app, but this screenshot was not an ordinary one because the OS in the image didn't match any OS on the market. Surprisingly, it was neither Windows 11 nor Windows 12. So what was this OS? The burning question arises, could this be a sneak peek at Windows 12 or did they accidentally unveil Windows 12? Today we will decide and closely look to this OS that has piqued our curiosity. So without any further delay, let's dig into it. Now before starting the video, I would like to talk about the screenshot. A screenshot was mistakenly showed, but the image quality took a nosedive, leaving us with a blurry preview. However, fear not, we have managed to redesign the image to match its blurry state, giving us a glimpse into the upcoming operating system. First thing that immediately grabbed our attention is the taskbar below. Take a look. It's a floating taskbar, a departure from the conventional fixed taskbar seen in the Windows 11, 10 and the earlier versions. Microsoft seems to be moving away from the fixed taskbar. But that's not the only change. Just like the smartphone, take a look. There's a significant transformation at the top. On the right side, you will see a notification section displaying at the time, date and charging level. Meanwhile, on the top left, there's a weather section. It's similarly looking like a mobile phone. A smartphone interface is giving the vibe of smartphone. The evolution is clear. Microsoft is transforming its look, leaning towards more like a Mac OS inspired, like more aesthetic, minimalistic. Some may embrace the change while others may find it a better departure from the familiar Windows design. Have you ever noticed the buttons are getting larger and shifted towards softer Windows frame? It's an integral evolution we are witnessing in the upcoming Windows 12. We can expect the more changes and more improvement as the development processes. One of the most exciting features of Windows 12 is the integration of artificial intelligence throughout the operating system. According to some leaks, Windows 12 will have AI power that will make it more faster, more smarter and more personalized. For example, Windows 12 will be able to learn from your behavior and preferences and adapt to your needs and habits. It will also be able to optimize your system performance, security and battery life based on your usage pattern and sincere Windows 12. Windows 12 will be also able to understand your voice gesture and facial expression and interact with you in a more natural way. Yeah, that's the power of AL, and Microsoft is bringing this powerful feature in Windows 12 and it's going to be a big major change. Windows seems to be adopting a design language that aligns more closely like Mac OS. But one notable detail is the noticeable increase in the button size. The edge of the button has become more oval, contributing to the adopting of softer Windows frame in contrast to the shaped frame seen in Windows 10. Of course, it doesn't mean that all the properties and all the details will be launched with Windows 12. Moreover, we are not even sure about that the name will be Windows 12. We just assume that the name will be Windows 12 according to the sources. According to the previous version, this is the prototype and the design can change completely in the following months and years. These types of sharing occur before Windows 8, claiming that Windows 8 was leaked and it will be like none of these claims come true. The same thing can happen here. There is a lower possibility, just the source is directly Microsoft. So when will Microsoft will be released? According to the online information, which is not certain, Windows 12 will be released in 2024 or 2025. Under the next value name, 2024 is more logical. As you can remember, Windows 7 was released in 2009, Windows 8 in 2012 and Windows 10 in 2005. In those times, Microsoft released a new operating system after every 3 years. So according to this, if we look to the Windows 11 releasing date, it was 2021. According to the information and according to some leaks, Microsoft will go through from the same old way and same old policy. So it is possible that Microsoft release Windows 12 in 2024 So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe my channel and to press the bell icon, and I will see you in the next one.